now to Mombasa. Peter Mwangangi is following the proceedings of a case that involved the killing of a kindergarten student at St. Augustine's in Mombasa. A very tragic story there, and let's listen into the proceedings on the deliberation on the outcome of this case. Peter.
Victoria, we are just from the Mombasa locus where that case was happening, and today the suspects, the 5 suspects, which include the head teacher, Madam Sarah Kesi, the school buser, Vanant Mwasaru, the school driver, Valdi Mbadi, and the mechanic, Abednego Mwendo, as well as the bus conductor, Charo Kazungu, were brought before court. Remember, this is the second time they are being brought to court. They were there yesterday, where the assistant director of public prosecutions, that is Alexander Muteti, made an application to have the suspects first undergo a psychiatrist examination to check their mental status, as well as to ensure that fingerprints are taken in accordance with normal police procedure. And today, his prayers have been granted by Justice Dora Chepkonyi, who said that they should now do that. But remember, there had been another issue that was brought about by the defense lawyers, the lawyers representing the 5 suspects, that is Gikandi Gibuini and Francis Kadima, who had protested the charge of murder, and they had said that it's an incredulous charge. It's not an objective charge. It's a charge that has been informed by social pressure and also pressure from partly the press and the political environment, something that the DPP denied, and he said that it's his prerogative to ensure that justice is administered to all. So the Justice Chepkonyi was also supposed to rule on that matter, and she said that if the defense lawyers have issues with that murder charge, they should hold their horses and wait to challenge it, maybe during presentation of evidence or after this particular process of the police procedure is done. So at the moment, the 5 suspects were, the murder charge was read to the 5 suspects. They did not take plea. We understand that could happen when they appear next in court, that is on the 21st of August. But all of them have been granted a personal bond of 1 million shillings each. For now, they are being escorted to the Coast General Hospital for that particular examination. Vicky?
Okay, Peter, before I let you go, just your sense that you've gotten from parents and those who have been aggrieved from this incident, do they feel that they'll actually get justice now that it's gone to the court level?
Yes, definitely, they hope so. And you could even tell from the attendance in court, the court has been packed. Even yesterday, there were a lot of people in court, the family members, as well as teachers from nearby schools. Remember, this is a public school, and it's a matter of public interest. And they have been hoping that at least there will be some answers to the death of their child. So definitely they are hoping for some justice to be delivered. And I spoke to some of the people who are closely related to them, and they are really hoping that something will come out of this. Because remember, they have been arguing that there was some recklessness and some negligence. But that is a matter which now the court must rule whether it happened or not.